So the topic is general register organization. In this topic we are going to study a bus organization for 7 CPU registers. Let's see the diagram. Before understanding the diagram, we need to understand how multiplexer, MUX and decoder works. To give the brief introduction, let's see. Talking about multiplexer, if there are n inputs, it will produce one output only. This n will be decided by 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, or we can say 2 to the power n. Talking about decoder, it takes n inputs and produce 2 to the power n outputs. So this is the briefing of multiplexer and decoder. Let's see the diagram. As we can see, there are 7 register R1 to R7 shown in the diagram, और उसके अलावा एक इनपुट लाइन है जो इससे जुड़ी हुई है. यहाँ पे हमने दिखाया है R7, R1 से R7 सारी की सारी लाइन मल्टीप्लेक्सर A और मल्टीप्लेक्सर B से अटैच्ड है. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, लेट्स सी स्मॉल एग्जाम्पल. मल्टीप्लाई, MULT का मतलब मल्टीप्लाई होता है, मल्टीप्लाई R1, R2 एंड R3. बिफोर गोइंग टू परफॉर्म वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस इंस्ट्रक्शन. इसका मतलब है हमें R2 और R3 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है और उसकी वैल्यू को R1 में स्टोर करना है. तो हमें मल्टीप्लेक्सर A में R2 लगाना है, मल्टीप्लेक्सर B में R3 लेना है और फाइनली उसे ALU में R2 इंटू R3 मतलब मल्टीप्लाई करना है. फाइनली जो भी रिजल्ट आएगा हमारे पास उसे हमें R1 में स्टोर करना है. दिस इज आवर टास्क. सो R2 विल बी सिलेक्टेड इन मल्टीप्लेक्सर A, R3 will be selected in multiplexer B with the help of selection A line and selection B lines. The working of these selection we will study in other lecture. So finally we will get R2 in bus A and R3 in bus B. Now ALU will perform the operation. The operation will be selected by these 5 lines, and 5 line means there are 2 to the power 5 operations, means 32 operations can be done in this ALU as shown in the diagram. So we have selected multiplication with the help of operation lines. Finally it will produce R2 into R3 as an output. Now we have to store it in R1, so it will go to the R1. But how R1 will be selected? This work will be done by decoder. With the help of selection D, we will select any of the register. For this purpose we will select R1 and the data will be stored. So this is all about the diagram. An example. Let's see the table. If we take selection A, selection B, selection D and operation, selection A, selection B, selection D and operation, this is called control word because every operation will be based on these selections. Talking about the code, 00 is taken for input for selection A and selection B. There will be no input line for selection D, only for selection A and selection B. Input is not attached with selection D. Decoder is only representing registers. So if I say R1, this was our example. So what will be the code? So we have taken R2 in multiplexer A, means selection A. R2 का कोड है हमारे पास 010. R3 का कोड फॉर सिलेक्शन B इज 011 एंड R1 का जो सिलेक्शन कोड है वो हमारे पास है 001. talking about the operation, so we will study later how operation code will be selected. From now 0001 मैंने लिख दिया है 5 लेटर्स का अपने हिसाब से। कैसे लिखा जाता है we will study later. So this is all about general register organization. Thank you everyone.